Hello everyone, today we will talk about the installation of wheel light. How to choose the wheel light. 1. Draw the brake disc size from the center of the brake disc to the caliper. 2. There is enough space between the tire and the brake disc. LED wheel light installation. First we remove the tires, calipers and brake discs. This cover board is where we install the light. You can't install light if your car doesn't have a cover. Attach the clip on wheel light. Find the suitable position on the cover board for the light. Ensure the light is in the center of the cover, and then use an electric drill to punch out the hole. Fix the light on the cover board with screws and tighten the screws. Then put the brake discs and calipers back in their original positions. Installation finished. The following is the wiring part. Fix the exposed light wire into the control box. To connect the signal light, we need to remove the rear tail light of the car, and connect the signal wire of the control box to the wire corresponding to the tail light. Okay, the wheel lights are installed. Let's put the tires on to see the light effect.